There's no question, solar power is in its prime. The industry is evolving on all fronts. Let's get to work. As manufacturing systems are refined, there's a lot of innovation flowing into the industry. And when it comes to the leader in innovation of solar frames, one company stands alone. Powers Solar Frames. Hi, I'm James Edson, and whether it's steel fabrication or solar frame production, when you're talking about innovation, you're talking about John Powers and Powers Solar Frames. Today, John Powers owns over 35 patents which span 50 years. He knows what he's doing. And when it comes to solar frames, you have to get it perfect from the get-go. When you're manufacturing steel columns, it starts with robots and lasers. Powers runs their columns to the exact specifications of their customers' engineering, 10 gauge and up. Powers steel columns are galvanized, rust-resistant, require no painting, look great, and save you time and money. But the laser welding is where it's at. The laser welded seam ensures the highest quality welds. These columns are resistant to corrosion and harsh weather conditions. Robots, lasers, and electricity from the sun, people like you and John are changing the world. Once the columns are installed, attaching the rafters is safe and easy. Since the holes in the columns, rafters, and connection plates are pre-punched, correct installation is a breeze. Powers TC bolts break off automatically to match torque specs. Whether you use the straight box beam or taper design, you benefit from faster installation, a pleasing design, and no on-site welding, which means fewer inspections. Plus, there are fewer places for birds to roost. Powers box beams are just as strong as I-beams, but weigh a heck of a lot less, which saves on shipping, and that's cost-effective. And now, it's time for the star of the show. I'm talking about the Super Purlin. The Powers Super Purlin can be used virtually wherever you need one, but they're specially designed to mount solar panels. There's no comparison to a conventional system. You use less material and just a three-man crew. And here's the best part. No more climbing up on the structure. That's right, the entire installation, including setting the panels, can be done from a scissor lift. Now we're talking safety and efficiency. But the story doesn't end here. John Powers just released the Super Purlin 2. The flanges at the top evenly space out the solar panels and allow them to be set into place, or angled in from below. Everything is pre-punched so you can attach the solar panel quickly with our self-tapping bolts. No rafter clips. The big takeaway for the Super Purlin 1 or 2 is they require fewer parts, use 40% less material versus the Cee Purlin. They're cost efficient and they are safer and faster to install.
Safe, easy, cost-effective installation. Powers Solar Frames, made with American steel in Phoenix, Arizona.